Hello guys, we will talk something that will blow your thoughts. So let's go. Let's get it on the stage. So guys, I have some conspiracy theory. Yeah, it's a conspiracy theory. I'm not sure about this, but this is clearly sabotaging me right now. I'm calling it subliminals. Are you familiar at subliminals? Subliminals is like a virus or malware that injecting to our subconscious mind. So when the sound, the intention, the environment, the climate reminding you subconsciously this behavior and your subconscious making sense with those meanings and start to corrupt some of subliminal behaviors. It gonna teach you sometimes, like listening to some music with a bad meanings, bad reality, and bad POV point of view will literally put you in exact point of view, and it can corrupt your mind, and the subliminal will extract in your subconscious, and you become what you idol with what your idols what kung ano man yung iniidolo mo. And I'm talking about this because some of weird music are sound ritualic, and it's really cursing and sabotaging your inner beast or your inner emotional anger, amygdala, and hostility. I'm saying that for convenient, I blaming the subliminal we feeding our mind can actually change our attitudes and the way we see the world. So be selected on what you believe, and that mess, intrusive thoughts, harsh thoughts, and manipulative thoughts inside your brain is a absolute malware, and it can destroy you, change your attitude, and also make you blind from positive things. It can distort your view, POV, and can make you act violent, can make you do something isn't right. So yeah, your brain will make sense with that scenario and make it real as you. So be aware with that kind of subliminals. And if I have something to recommend to you, is watch positive things than negative ones. Because it's not good to expose our mind. Our mind are sensitive and reactive with things, and we're supposed to avoid a bad thinking patterns, and we're supposed to avoid the subliminal about madness, because sometimes people can make you mad and can drive you mad, and by repeating it to yourself and thinking and affirming that madness, you start to live miserable life. So yeah, don't be hooked by subliminal vibes and some freaky things on internet. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe if you understand me, and see ya to next video. And see ya, bye guys. If you have fun with this content. So bye.